Looking for an easy way to monitor your heart health at home? Meet the OKLAR CO2 upper arm blood pressure monitor, designed to give you quick, stress-free readings in just seconds. With its clear LCD screen, simple one-button operation, and built-in memory for past results, it takes the guesswork out of tracking. Lightweight, accurate, and convenient, it's the reliable partner you need for everyday blood pressure monitoring, anytime, anywhere. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the blood pressure monitor, power cord, instruction manual, quick start guide, and a storage case. Want to grab the OKLAR CO2 blood pressure monitor from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Features: sleek and compact design takes clinically accurate readings anywhere, anytime, without awkward wires or hoses. Store up to 240 readings for 2 users, allowing easy tracking and comparison of measurements. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. Allows to operate by using either 3 AA batteries or a Type-C interface. Its compact size and dual supply capabilities ensure it's ready for use at home or on the go. Specifications: product description: display, memory button, setting button, start or stop button, AC adapter port and cuff connector port, display symbols, install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Safety precautions: avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Connect the cuff with the monitor. Wrap the cuff around the upper arm with the cuff tube pointing downward. Step 2. Make sure the cuff is about 1 finger above your elbow and fits 1 finger between your arm and the cuff. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart, and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the LCD display. Measurement classifications: normal blood pressure, fluctuation, blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips: troubleshooting: That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your OKLAR CO2 upper arm blood pressure monitor. See you in the next one.